Hi, here's Intergeo TV from Frankfurt. Right now, here with me, a guest from Bentley Systems, Peter Rummel. He's Director Infrastructure Policy Advancement. Good to have you here. How are you?
Thank you. It's great to be again here with you at Intergeo.
Yeah, you're really welcome. So, why are you at Intergeo? What do you like at Intergeo most, and what do you really want to achieve here, and why, is this event special?
Yeah, this event is special. It's geospatial. It's the world leading trade show, and we like the different possibilities to interact with customer, user, or the community. It's the main stage, it's the booth, it's application dome, conferences, and it's important for us to give an update what our software can provide in our services. And in addition, it's more and more important to work with associations. I think we are here guests or working with DVW, DDGI, and these things. And the international community is reaching out to us for partnerships. So it's a wide variety of things we can achieve here, which is really great.
Yeah, absolutely. And people also say it's like meeting classmates. It's like an annual meeting because you meet from startups to industry leaders, and it just mentioned so many from the industry are really represented here. And so what are you especially showing this year? Is there any firsts, any new integrations or live demos, anything that you really have to mention that people shouldn't miss this year at Bentley Systems?
Yes, I think it's important to give an update on the great improvements we do on our special applications for road, railway, and these kind of things. So, because people need to know what's advancing. One element which is new and old in itself, it's the digital twin. We see that the digital twin and infrastructure cloud is going from buzzword to really being business, or from, hey, I need to get some information, to let's talk about implementation. So this is really important. And if you ask about news, last year we made the announcement about the acquisition of Cesium. And obviously an announcement is more or less a promise. And now, 1 year after, we can show what we are achieved and how well everything is integrating and developing. So all our openness and the viewing technology, streaming technology with Cesium, it's, I think, one of the big things.
Yeah, and you just mentioned the digital twins, the development, the really working in real time with them. And so what more trends or what actual trends do you see here, especially at this year's event?
I think we see really clearly AI is really coming from being a myth. Is it the devil's thing, or is it the holy grail? It comes to real looking into use cases. So it's a differentiated view, and people understand, okay, I need to see where I am and what's my path in leveraging it. There is no yes and no. It's the question, what is my path? We are here with our special funds, so having more the German glasses on, and we need to be much faster. So our community was on accuracy and quality, but we understand there are some challenges where we need to be really quick. So it's AI being quicker. And then we see we need to understand that everything is happening in a life cycle. So it's not only building it, we need to understand it end to end. Life cycle assessment, construction product requirements, these topics are important. And in addition to this technical layer, we see people are more and more important. Looking for young talents. We had the New Generation Award. I was lucky to be in the jury, and it was quite inspiring. And ideas how to win the talents and how to make people more productive and keep them in the business. AI, speed, life cycle, and people. These are the 4 things I would see as the main ones.
Yeah, and on the one hand, we have the industry who does a lot for the lack of talents, for developing, for getting faster, quicker, better. And on the other hand, there could also be a policy perspective. And what do you think, what should governments do to accelerate the geospatial data use for smart cities, for really using digital twins and all their possibilities for predictions in their everyday work life?
I think there are definitely the European layer. Last week I have been at Smart Country Conference in Berlin. And there was a clear understanding that we need to be more sovereign with the data and our structure. And we have EU regulations. It's an EU Data Act. There's an EU AI Act. It's an EU Digital Service Act. And I see that we in Europe have a community where we have some rules and regulations and values where we build a space where the industry is developing. Breaking it down on a national level, we see we have a federal structure. From a political perspective, there are a lot of good reasons why we should have it. From a technical perspective, we have 16 different states, and we have a lot of bureaucracy. And our new ministry is called Ministry for Digitization and State Modernization. And this is, I think, a name and a mandate as well. So we need to work in the process of digital transformation. We need to optimize everything. And last but not least, I mentioned the special funds. We have a lot of availability, and it's quite easy to spend money. It's not about spending the money, it's about investing it in a real efficient and sustainable way, because 10 years are easily gone, money is spent, and then we need to see, did we improve our infrastructure? Is it more resilient? Is it more efficient? And did we really achieve something and make a difference? And not only increase the amount of loans we have.
If we should address the visitors from government or policies, and they should really know one key message about InterGeo, why they should come here and visit InterGeo or Bentley Systems at InterGeo, why should they do that?
They should come and see. Data is the foundation. If you manage it right, you have the possibility to gain information. You have information to take the right decisions, and then you act. So start from the beginning, be friends with your data, understand and embrace it, and then follow it down to meaningful actions to making really a difference on the quality of our life and infrastructure.
Thank you very much. Peter Rummel here at InterGeo TV. Thank you very much for joining us.